Are you looking for the best fume and smoke extractor filters and your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best fume and smoke extractor filters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Ridgid 73637 filter cage. The Ridgid filter cage is a fume and smoke extractor filter designed to effectively remove harmful particles from the air, manufactured in Mexico. This filter cage is specifically designed for use with fume and smoke extractor filters. With its durable construction and high-quality materials, it ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. The Ridgid filter cage is easy to install and maintain, making it a convenient choice for users. Its efficient design allows for effective filtration, ensuring clean and healthy air in your workspace. With the Ridgid filter cage, you can breathe easy knowing that you are protected from harmful fumes and smoke. Up next in the fourth place is the Cylinder 6-pack Solder Extractor Filter Carbon Filter Replacement. Cylinder Extractor Filter Replacement Activated is designed to fit Hakko Corporation 493 and FA 400, Zytronic 426DLX and 456DLX, and AU 486. The package includes 6 PCS carbon extractor filters. Each dimension is 130mm, 130mm, 10mm. Normally, carbon filters need to be replaced every 4–5 months. This thick and well-made filter can effectively take the smoke away, making it great for your fume extractor, homemade DIY fan, etc. Please note that the package only contains extractor filters, not smoke absorbers. The third product on our list is the Sharp Activated Carbon Replacement Filter. The Sharp Carbon Filter is a replacement filter designed for use with the FPA 60UW and FPA 80UW models. This activated carbon filter effectively removes odors and captures large particles, ensuring clean and fresh air in your home. With a lifespan of up to 2 years, this filter provides long-lasting performance. The activated carbon filter is not only compatible with specific Sharp models but also easy to install. By utilizing this filter, you can enjoy improved air quality and a more pleasant living environment. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors and hello to a breath of fresh air with the Sharp Carbon Filter. Second on our list is the Hakko A1001 filters for the FA 400/493. The Hakko A1001 filters are replacement filter packs designed for the FA 400/493 fume extractors. These filters are equipped with an activated carbon layer that contains over 8 grams of highly activated carbon. The pack includes 5 filters, ensuring long-lasting use. The filters are easy to replace, allowing for hassle-free maintenance. With these filters, you can effectively remove fumes and smoke from your workspace, creating a healthier and cleaner environment. The activated carbon filter is especially useful for absorbing and neutralizing odors, providing you with a more pleasant working experience. The Hakko A1001 filters are a convenient and reliable solution for maintaining air quality in your workspace. Finally, the top product on our list is the MUIN Solder Fume Extractor Filter. The MUIN Solder Fume Extractor Filter is a high-efficient 3-stage filtration system designed to absorb and capture fumes from solder, flux, chemicals, and gases. It includes a fabric pre-filter, an activated carbon filter, and a photocatalyst filter that helps to reduce unwanted odors and smells in your working spaces. The product comes with 1 activated carbon filter and 3 pre-filters and has dimensions of 4, 7x4, 7x0, 7.5 and a weight of 0.2 pounds. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.